Hi Anna, this is Boxroom 2, Concept 1. So I've tried to follow reasonably closely what I thought was on your sketch. This will work if you have the correct width here for your ironing board. So I need to know exactly how wide your ironing board is. This is not without faults though. I think this corner is going to end up being slightly cramped, slightly difficult to use, and we can get some back of door storage on this wall as well in front of those look like 400mm shelves. I'm just going to check quickly. No, they're 300mm shelves, so I've got 300mm shelves on the back wall, and I've also included two basket shelves. Now these come in either 300, which I've shown here, or 400mm, and they can be sold with these transparent end caps and divisions. They are fantastic for organising sportswear, cleaning products, household goods. Really useful product. Okay, let's go on to Boxroom 2 Concept 2. Let's put that in transparent quickly. So what I've done is I've gone straight through with the shelves this time, and what I'm suggesting here is that you get a dedicated non-Elfa ironing board and iron holder. I have fitted them for a couple of clients. I can't think off the top of my head what the make is, but I will find that for you. It's a good product. The iron sits here and it's got two big hooks for the ironing board underneath. So we've got straight through shelves, we've got some basket shelves that I described previously, and we've got one of their back of door arrangements here, which I think you mentioned for slippers or cosmetic stores or something. But these are great for cleaning products, sprays, cloths, just, you know, shoe cleaning stuff, all sorts of odds and sods like that. So that's a good prospect in my opinion, better than Concept 1. Let's look at Concept 3. I can't remember what's different about that. No, it's the same. I don't know what's happened there. No difference. Okay, I will check the prices on that, and that's the end of this film.